Another finished project in the books. Come on back and we'll take a look at it. Well, all right, brothers and sisters, there she is. The Tamiya Mustang GT4 that we did for the GT group build hosted by Keith at Keiths Models and RCs. Not much to say about this kit. It was, as you might expect from I'm going to say Tamiya, as you might expect from Tamiya, a very well done kit. It is engineered very well. It is laid out very well in the instructions, paint guide, the whole 9 yards. You know, those of you who have built many Tamiya kits know all about that, and it requires you to do some work. Even with this is of course a curbside, and it's got a resemblance of an engine, you know, in the top, on the bottom, and it's not just molded in. It's actually is a block, and that's and a set of headers on both sides. So, but other than that, there's no engine really to it, but it all works out very well. It, like I said, as you might expect. So let me take you on in, and then we'll take a look at it. And I'm gonna put a slideshow at the end for close-ups of the interior and everything. You can't see much with the body on. Paint, as we said previously, is MCW enamel. Cut with lacquer thinner. This is pepper gray metallic, and it is top coated with Restoration Shop from TCP Global. Restoration Shop hot rod gloss 2K urethane, and it turned out very nice. Paint, and the as did the clear coat. Really a nice color. It's of course, sort of the color of the Eleanor Mustang. I like this color of gray. It really looks nice. I like it. I just wasn't digging the German gray. I'm sorry. That wasn't my cup of tea, and we did everything pretty much as the call-outs call for, except for the instructions call for the mirrors to be blue. Sort of, let's see, blue on the top, and then the bottom, I believe, let me look. Yeah, the bottom, where the mirror mounts to the body, gray, but the mirror body itself, outer shell blue, the decal color, the decal blue. I just didn't think that would look as good as just leaving them gray, so I just painted the whole thing gray. I just thought it would look better, and I like it better. I'm glad it did. I just don't think that little wash of blue on that mirror would. That's just, to me, wouldn't look as good as the gray mirror would. So I went with that. But everything else, I stayed with the call outs on the instructions pretty much. And like I said, it turned out really nice. You have the mask for the windows for you to tape up and do your black trim, which I wish they would just do like Revell did with the Vet, the GT3 Vet, just go on and pad print the black on the mirrors, on the windows. But At least they do give you the mask. You could have to do it yourself, which would be a pain in the ass, but the pad printing is really nice, but we won't complain about that. So I'm going to pick it up and let you see underneath. There's not much to see, really. We did some heat staining on the exhaust there a little bit, and we did a little asphalt dust on the white just to tame that white down. That pure white, by to me, is really stark. So, and there you see all the suspension parts, and then these bottom plates mount after the body's put on. So everything mates up just really, really well. So really nice kit. Posable wheels, by the way. And the wheels also, all the wheels roll, but I glued mine. I don't much care for that. So the posable wheel thing is really nice. Looks good. I took advantage of that in my still shots for the little garage diorama. So that turned out looking pretty nice. And like I said, the paint just turned out. If you've not had an opportunity to get you some MCW paint, if you like enamel, you really should try their paint, because it really does a excellent job mixed with lacquer thinner. That's it. Not much else to talk about. Like I said, I got a slideshow to put at the end, and so stick around for that. And I guess that's about it. Hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified when I do put videos out, even if they are infrequent. But I guess that'll be it, and we'll be moving on to another project. Not sure. I was going to take part in the United Creators, whatever it is, group build, and I don't have the Roadrunner, the Revell Monogram 70 Roadrunner kit. I thought I did. I swore I had it in my stash, but I don't. I have I've got the Super B, but I don't have that, and I'm not gonna run out and buy it. You can't find it, and if you do, you're gonna pay through the nose for it. And I know they're coming out. They're gonna repop it again, but I haven't seen it on the radar at least through the end of the year. And I'm not going to wait, for it. So I'll probably bypass that group build. The cancer build's coming up, and we'll probably get in that, or one other build, the Fat Fenders and Fins group build is coming up. So we may try that one just to support some of these guys in their group build. So, but anyway, all right, we're gonna call it done and move on to something else. All right, take care of one another. Don't take any crap from anyone. See you soon.